Hey there friends, ETPC here doing a unboxing on this new little vacuum attachment set I got. It's the Schneider Industries micro vacuum attachment 7-piece kit. When I bought this, I do have a Shark vacuum. I thought it said it is compatible with the Shark vacuum, so we'll find out. Anyways, let's do an unboxing, and then next video I'll do a demonstration review, etc. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, simply open this little tab. It's not much of an unboxing. We can already see what's in the box. Okay, that's what it comes with. Looks like we got the main attachment here. And a little extension, another little extension with a bend in it. A couple little, tiny crevice tool. One with a little brush on the end, another little brush, and another extender. And it looks like we have another adapter. No, that's the brush. Okay, so that's what we're looking at, and we have the hose here as well. 2, 4, 6, 7, looks like 8 pieces with the hose. Anyways, that's what we got going on there. I bought this basically so I can vacuum out some difficult places to reach, such as my computer. It's kind of dusty. So we'll be back with the review and demonstration and all that stuff.